Hold down and pull out the lock to release the roller brush. You can undo the side attachment to reveal the inner screw. Use thin sharp device to take out the screw, and now you can clean the inside part. There are 12 screws attached on the floor brush. Pinch, move and pull out the brush cleaner to reveal the hidden screw. Take out the front roller to find another screw. Follow the alignment. Now you can detach the body by pulling it out firmly. Inside there will be a part that can be changed. Unscrew the 2 screws to release it from the motor unit. Pull out the belting attached. You can disconnect the metal part to clean the bearing. Use a plier to grip the metal part, then unscrew it by turning clockwise. Take the metal part out by just pulling it. For this piece, you need to find anything solid to help you push out the screw. It will unveil the bearing part. You can clean the hair or any debris that is stuck in between the rims. To lock the metal part back in place, make sure to align it on both flat sides. Screw it in anti-clockwise. Test it out to see whether it's turning. To attach everything back again, follow the same as installation. Align the body in place, press every part firmly before screw it in. To insert the brush, make sure to align it inside the holder and slide it in. Pinch and angle the end brush to insert inside the holder.